them complimented. कुछ लोग फिर क्या है ना, बट रोहित शर्मा को मानना पड़ेगा, he led the bat to the talking and century रहेगी, but he came to the party. On the final, the captain leads from the front.
And see, उसकी innings से, रोहित की innings से, if you see, things have become easy for the batters, and that's what he does for the team. Because if he wouldn't have given that kind of a start, तो फिर इतना आसान होता नहीं. उसके अलावा फिर जैसी बैटिंग करी, फिर बाकी जो आने वाले बैटर्स थे, things were quite easy, like not easy I would say, but yeah, जो प्रेशर 5 का रन रेट चेस करने में होता है, अगर वही 7.5 होता है ना, तो फिर चीजें थोड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती. तो I feel he always bats like this. He sets the tone for the team, and if he bats for long, 15, 28, 22 overs like that, so he makes life easier for the batters to follow, and that's what exactly he has done today as well. In a chase of 250 odd runs, but at one point of time it looked like it's a difficult pitch to score those runs, but in starting he gave that kind of a start where he was going 6 runs per over as a batting partnership with Shubman Gill. So that's the beauty of this game, and that's the beauty of Rohit's batting.
Sachin Paji is saying Champions Trophy champion, yeah, that's what he put out. So everybody is celebrating, and everybody is very thrilled about this. But at all points, when you look at that scorecard, Sabha, you have to say that each one of them chipped in. Some of them had a good day, some of them had a bad one. Rohit, I think perhaps Virat Kohli at 105 for one, or 100 odd for 105 for one, were far too relaxed. I don't know, or was it a damn good ball that just got him on that night? But can you fault Virat Kohli for not playing one game when he's actually led the run chase right through the tournament? Or would you look at Rohit Sharma, who's continued with that brand of cricket, not wanting to worry about his wicket, but say that I'm going to be committed to the role that I'm going to play, and he made batting look so easy there.
That generally happens when you have a very spirited team, and I think all these players understand each other's character and their approach to a particular game, and one can see the kind of camaraderie the Indian team has. I think Rohit Sharma makes things very easy for the rest of the players who are coming into bat after him, and because of Rohit Sharma's exploits with the bat, the initial overs, it offers more space and time to Shubman Gill to settle down. So I think that partnership of 105 runs was extremely invaluable to India's squad. And I think Rohit Sharma understands that quite well. और इसी के बारे में तुमने बात कर रहे थे ना कि रोहित के अंदर ये पोटेंशियल है, वो सिर्फ 3 शॉटर का काम करने वाला नहीं है. और आज जो भी उन्होंने शॉट्स भी खेले, थोड़ा बहुत सर्कमस्पेक्ट वो जरूर थे. ऐसा नहीं था कि हर बॉल पे मारने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. थोड़ा बहुत संभल के उन्होंने शॉट्स लगाए, और एक बार इनिशियल 5-6 ओवर गुजर जाता है ना, उसके बाद रोहित शर्मा ज्यादा सेटल लगते हैं. विराट कोहली आए थे बहुत जल्दी, आते ही उन्होंने थोड़ा ज्यादा फाइन खेलने की कोशिश की, पर ये होता है. वही मुझे लग रहा था खाली वो जो शुभमन गिल और विराट कोहली को जो विकेट गिरा था, तब ऐसा लग रहा था कि टीम थोड़ी गड़खड़ा रही है. पर अच्छा ये रहा इंडिया के लिए कि रोहित शर्मा को उसके साथ श्रेयस अय्यर आए बैटिंग करने के लिए, स्थिति को संभाल लिया, और इसी वजह से आप इस प्रकार के रन चेस का पूरा कर सकते हैं जहाँ विकेट थोड़ा बहुत ट्रिकी है. और विकेट ट्रिकी था, ये हमने देखा कि न्यूजीलैंड के स्पिनर्स मिडिल ओवर्स में हावी हो रहे थे. 20 ओवर में आजकल करीब 60 से 65 रन बने थे इंडिया के. तो चूंकि इंडिया के पास विकेट थे हाथ में, इंडिया के पास उनकी बल्लेबाजी में वो गहराई थी, तो विश्वास नजर आ रहा था कि मैच हम जीत ही लेंगे. अगर एक दो विकेट गिर भी जाते हैं तभी उसको फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. और मेरे ख्याल में सबसे बड़ा मास्टर मूव रहा है रोहित शर्मा और गौतम गंभीर का अक्षर पटेल के ऊपर भेजना. तो नंबर 5 पे आके जिस तरह से लेफ्ट राइट कॉम्बिनेशन की वजह से वो एक्सेलरेशन मिल गया है इंडिया को, उसका बहुत बड़ा फायदा मिला है हर एक मैच में इंडिया को, खास करके चेस करते हुए, या फिर इवन अगेंस्ट वो एक मैच में जब विकेट जल्दी गिरे तो न्यूजीलैंड के खिलाफ भी लीग मैच में भी जिस तरह से उन्होंने टारगेट सेट किया अक्षर पटेल और श्रेयस अय्यर की साझेदारी, तो मेरे ख्याल में सभी का कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं तो एक साथ जब जोड़ दी जाती हैं तो अंत में आप चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीतते हैं. मुझे तो खुशी इस बात की है कि 2013 में हम लोगों ने चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी पकड़ा जीती थी, unbeaten run right in the final. Yes, where we defeated England. This time also unbeaten run and we defeat New Zealand in the final. बस चैंपियन बनो तो ऐसे बनो. टॉस सारे हार गए, मैच सारे जीत गए. टॉस सारे हार गए, मैच सारे जीत गए. That's what's happened. Ravindra Jadeja says that is how it's with me. Sometimes a hero, sometimes a zero. The wicket was not easy for a new batter. Hardik and KL were great. Winning the Champions Trophy is a huge thing. If you don't win a big tournament after playing so long,
it hurts. That's what he said. Is there a long meaning to what he's saying? At 36, I don't know. There's just too much of talk about it. Let's listen into some of the views that have come in from the ringside. Courtesy Sports 18. विमल बात तभी आया जब हम साउंड बाइट सुनाने वाले हैं, उसके बाद विमल से बात करते हैं. And I think that's what came through. PM Narendra Modi is saying throughout the tournament they performed beautifully. Congratulations to our team for the splendid performance, all-round display. That's what the Prime Minister has very rightly put out there. That the kudos are well deserved, the accolades are well deserved. PM Narendra Modi there saying congratulations to the entire team for the way they have performed, the way they have played, all-round display, an exceptional game. Proud of our cricket team for bringing home the ICC Champions Trophy. They played wonderfully throughout the tournament. Congratulations to our team for a splendid all-round display. That's what PM Narendra Modi has just tweeted. There will be more congratulations coming from all across. Before we go back to our guests, let's quickly take a quick check. पूरे देश भर में पटाखे फूट रहे हैं. देश भर में नहीं, दुबई में भी पूरा स्टेडियम तो it looked like Wankhede. It didn't look like it was Dubai. Yeah, it was all blue all across. Let's go across to our reporters quickly. Anshul is joining us, Ananya joining us, Yesha joining us. Ananya is at India Gate. क्या हो रहा है अनन्या? इंडिया टी शर्ट तो पहनी है, पीछे क्या हो रहा है?
You can definitely see the crowd that has gathered, the kind of crowd is here. You can see everybody is celebrating, everybody is wishing. Let me try to speak to some of them. How do you feel? How do you feel? किस तरीके से लग रहा है? Yes, really good. It feels really good. या तो win है या तो लाना है. और win है. You can see. The people are high on emotion. The kind of crowd, Anand, on a Sunday night at India Gate is something that can tell you the kind of joy that is coming for India with this Champions Trophy that is coming in very clearly. A crowd, I'll ask my camera person Ravi Ranjan to show you around India Gate. People are gathering one by one.
I love that. I love that gentleman in the
at the national capital at India Gate.
in the vertical shirt. The way he was dancing was phenomenal. Anshul, where are you? Noida. Let's get a quick check before we go to Yesha in Mumbai. It's happened. The cup comes home. Bharat has beaten New Zealand by 4 wickets. What a run chase with about 9 balls to spare. In the 49th over, India coasting home with an over to spare. That's the phenomenal run chase, and it's the batting depth of Team India with Ravindra Jadeja coming in at number 8, and he stroked the winning runs. The boundary that sealed the cup. The ICC Champions Trophy 2025 is with India. Rohit Sharma, the second trophy after the T20 World Cup, and it's 4 now for all three, Ravindra Jadeja, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. 4 ICC trophies that they now have got to back and to take home. Ravindra Jadeja stroking those winning runs. Is there much more to it in that salutation that Ravindra Jadeja just made to the entire team? That big hug with Virat Kohli. Is there something more in this 36-year-old as they dance and they celebrate? All of India is celebrating. It's a fantastic run chase that's been crafted with an over to spare. India coasting home, but it was not an easy chase. It's the batting depth. Rohit Sharma comes to the party. Virat Kohli missed out, but it's a captain's knock from Rohit Sharma. 76 of 83 balls that set up that run chase. 105 for no loss, and then 122 for 3. Some nervy moments there, and also when India lost the 5th wicket at 203, that's when there were some nervous moments again. But then Hardik Pandya, KL Rahul, yet another unbeaten knock, and what a critical role that he's playing at number 6. Sabha Karim and Piyush Chawla with us. Sabha Karim, Piyush Chawla, what a victory, what a game, what a run chase. Phenomenal. Batting depth. ये बैटिंग डेप्थ ही है जो हमको लेकर गया है. केएल राहुल की जितनी तारीफ करे कम है. श्रेयस अय्यर, no matter how much we praise him, and that boundary from Ravindra Jadeja, is that the last that we are seeing him in the ODI? So many things to talk about. But first, your thoughts on the game, on the run chase. Sabha Karim.
सबसे पहले तो आनंद, ढेर सारी बधाई. Many congratulations to this Indian side. They've made all out. Deservedly, they won the final once again. I think after 2013, that India has remained unbeaten in this journey to win the Champions Trophy. So splendid display by everybody. Congratulations! It makes all of us so happy that the Indian side has played according to its potential, according to the form. It was the best team in the Champions Trophy in the entire tournament, and they've proven that in each and every game, and most importantly in the finals. Hard-fought win. I was expecting India to win quite easily, but I think that's why we possibly cannot keep New Zealand out of the game. They're a tough side to beat, but I think on a wicket that had started to offer some turn and bounce to the spinners, the Indian batters, they remained calm. The little partnerships also mattered quite a lot on, and वो श्रेयस अय्यर और केएल राहुल की पारी, श्रेयस अय्यर और अक्षर पटेल की वो साझेदारी, टॉप ऑफ द ऑर्डर में शुभमन गिल और रोहित शर्मा की 105 रन की साझेदारी ओपनिंग में, ये सारी बातें जो है ना इसका फर्क पड़ा है। और भारत ने अंत में ये 252 रन चेस कर लिया। थोड़ा लास्ट में थोड़ा टाइट हो रहा था, हार्दिक पांड्या का विकेट गिर गया, पर अच्छी बात ये थी कि हमारे पास इतने ज्यादा अनुभवी खिलाड़ी है ना, जो गहराई है उसका फायदा मिला है भारत को। केएल राहुल का वो शांत स्वभाव अंत में काम आ गया, रविंद्र जडेजा का अंत में आके बैटिंग करना, वो हर चीज जो है ना आज काम करके इंडिया के लिए, तो बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। और देखिए मैंने टी शर्ट पहन ली थी इंडिया की, मुझे मालूम था कि इंडिया जीतने वाला है।
Well, lots of, I think confidence तो था कि जीतने वाला है, लेकिन ये फिर कुछ नाखून भी चबा दिए। That's what has happened, अचानक 3 विकेट गिर जाते हैं, ये स्लाइड तो नहीं हो जाएगा। पीसी, there are celebration shots coming from all across the country. There are some amazing shots we'll get. We can't cut live to those pictures, but there was a big hug between Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli डांडिया खेल रहे थे विकेट्स के साथ, स्टंप्स के साथ, और वहां एक खास तस्वीर हमको रविंद्र जडेजा की भी मिली। There are a lot of things to talk about in this match. कुछ बड़ी बातें भी हो सकती हैं मैच के बाद. Lot of talks around that. But PC, your thoughts on the game?
Well, it was a brilliant win, to be very honest, because